Hit a rough month? Chase may offer an option to skip a payment on eligible credit cards, but it's important to understand the implications. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This is not a universal feature. Log into your Chase Online account and navigate to your credit card. Look for a message or link that says, skip a payment, or similar. If it's offered, you can request to skip one monthly payment. Crucially, interest will still accrue on your balance during that period. It's not forgiveness, it's a deferral. My crucial pro tip: use this only in a true cash flow emergency. Because interest continues to build, skipping a payment makes your debt more expensive. It's far better to pay at least the minimum. Only use this if you truly have $0 to make a payment and need to avoid a late fee and credit report damage. Understand this emergency tool so you can use it wisely if you ever need to. Have you ever used a skip a payment feature? What was the circumstance? For more guides on managing financial tough spots, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.